Today we will be showing how to replace a broken tube inside of your ZX cart. Start by unscrewing the 4 screws in the back. Next, you will want to take out the gear on my right, your left, the gear that has the tube around it. There's no need to remove the drive gear on my left, your right. The first thing you want to do with your replacement tube, make sure your white ceramic washer is on the right side, your left side. Next, make sure the words that says ZVA Skimmers on the ceramic washer is facing downward. So next you would get your gear that you took out, put the tube back around it. 2 things you want to check for. You want to make sure, again, your pin side is going down. And you want to make sure your words on your ceramic washer is facing down. So now we are ready to reinstall the tube back in the cartridge. And again, look at your gears and make sure there's no pin side visible. They should be on the bottom, on the down side. Now you're ready to put the top of the cartridge back on. Want to flip it again. And now we will proceed to put our screws back in. And that's how you successfully change a broken tube.